Downtown Toronto, -4. Pearson feels like -8. I'm James Monroe.
I'm Flojana Timmins. Here are the top stories this hour.
With breaking news from the UK.
It has been an incredibly tough couple of months for our entire family.
Kate Middleton, Princess of Wales, says doctors have discovered cancer that had been present after undergoing abdominal surgery. She's now undergoing chemotherapy and asking for privacy. A snowfall warning out for Toronto and parts of the GTHA. 15 to 20 centimeters, the heaviest right about now. It will taper off overnight. Full coverage with the 680 News Extreme Weather Center now open. Breaking news from Russia, at least 40 people dead, more than 100 hurt after gunmen opened fire on theatergoers at a rock concert near Moscow. The 6,000-seat venue is also set on fire. And coming up after sports.
When early spring brings you a winter storm, you might as well embrace it.
What is my next option? To be home and cooped up inside and all that? Nah.
It's all about perspective.
Time for sports. Here's Alex Excel.
Flojana, the Raptors 15.5-point underdogs this evening as they host Oklahoma City, sitting first in the West. The Raptors have lost 8 straight games and are banged up again. Sportsnet 590 and Sportsnet 1 with a game at 7. Latest news from March Madness, number 2 Marquette moving on. 87-69 win over Western Kentucky, Baylor, Northwestern, and San Diego State with wins as well. Mitch Marner has resumed skating, but that high ankle sprain will keep him out of the lineup for games this weekend. Leafs host the Oilers tomorrow, followed by a road game in Carolina Sunday. TJ Brody, a healthy scratch again tomorrow. Blue Jays beat the Red Sox 5-1 this afternoon, and after the game, they granted Eduardo Escobar his release. Good news for Ernie Clement, who will likely make the team. Isaiah Cutter-Paletta had a 2-run homer. Pebble nice today. Canadian skip Rachel Homan improving to 11-0 at the World Women's Curling Championship, an 8-2 win over Scotland, and a road game for the Marlies, who take on Rochester at 7. Sports at 15 and 45 past every hour, or anytime at sportsnet.ca.
Mark's This Is Big event is on now until March 27th. Save up to 60% on a wide selection of styles perfect for spring, including silver jeans and clothing at 40% off. Mark's This Is Big event on now at Marks and Marks.com.
Cozier Senior Living is more than retirement living. It's vibrant communities where you're celebrated and supported. Is Cozier right for you? Experience it for yourself at their open house Saturday, March 23rd. Visit Cozier, COGIR, seniorliving.ca for details.
Oh, that coffee smells good. Can you pass me the sugar when you're finished? Whoa, what are you doing? That's salt, not sugar. Let's get you another coffee.
Feeling distracted? You're not alone. Many Canadians are finding it hard to focus with mortgage payments on their minds. If you're struggling with your payments, speak to your bank. The earlier they understand your situation, the more options and relief measures could be available to you. Learn more at canada.ca/it pays to know. A message from the Government of Canada.
News time 4:19, so we have snow in downtown Toronto. Kids will be happy to end the week with some playing around in the snow, but grown-ups don't appear too jazzed about this unusual spring snowstorm. Here's City's Mama Qureshi.
People are out here walking with their heads down, leaning into the wind with the snow in their face, likely wondering how we got here considering it was 19 degrees just over a week ago.
I want to wear shorts again, you know what I'm saying? Damn, I thought it was spring already, but it's not, you know?
Arun says he lived in Alberta for about a decade, so it's really all about perspective.
Yeah, it was 19 degrees. I was, out with the t-shirt, but here we are back the cold. I think in Canada, you expect all 4 weather in one day. That's normal.
Kofi is originally from the warm weather climate in Ghana, but he's still out here literally dancing in the snow.
It's beautiful, the snow's pouring, and I'm just in my own vibe, but what can we do? We live here, this is what we have to deal with, so. But I can't complain, I'm loving it.
May we all embrace it with that much joy. Momin Qureshi, City News.
Traffic and weather next.
Michael.
Yes, Fiona.
Callum.
Yes, Fiona?
Not everyone has unlimited money.
Callum and I know that, Fiona.
The time will come for you to be generous.
But we are generous, Fiona. Callum, help me out here. I'm staying out of this.
Cal, you've always been a good baby brother.
Fiona, tell me what you want me to do.
Cal, what diamond looks the largest and shines the brightest for the money?
That would be a 3/4 carat oval diamond.
If you were going to give me, the big sister who raised you and took care of you when you were just a foolish young lad, if you were going to give me an amazing price on a 3/4 carat oval created diamond, what price would you give your sister?
Michael, what can I do? $1,999.
And then all I would need to do is pay for the ring of my choice?
Yes, and we'll manufacture it in exactly your size.
Now, you people listening on the radio, go to Spence and tell them you want to buy the 3/4 carat oval created diamond they offered to sell Fiona.
Spence.
Wow!
located in Vaughan, Scarborough, and Mississauga.
News time, 421.
Traffic and weather together on the ones. How's the snowshoeing going, Carrie Francis?
Oh, it's a slow walk, trudging through the snow right now. And driving is even worse, I would say. This report brought to you by Don Valley North Toyota. Westbound on the 401, approaching Harmony. The two right lanes are blocked because of a jackknife tractor trailer. And you're going to find a huge backup westbound 401 from just west of Holt Road to approaching Harmony. And then delays in the city from Yonge to Avenue Collectors, from the Allen, alternately express and collectors to the 427. And then collector lanes are very slow from the 427 on and off to west of Mavis. It's a bit slow as you head past Highway 25. Southbound on the 404, there's a new problem at Shepherd and the collectors. The center lane is blocked with a collision. Delays southbound 404 DVP from south of Finch to south of Lawrence. Watch out for a stalled vehicle on the eastbound 401. It's east of Mavis in the collectors. And it looks like that left lane is partially blocked. No delay here, so again, just be careful. Eastbound 401, east of Mavis collectors. It's slow through here, Ontario collectors, and then from Dixie in the collectors to the 427 ramps. If you're going through the city, it's jammed from south of Pearson to Victoria Park in the Express and to Kennedy in the collectors, and very busy in Durham from Brock Road to east of Salem and from Sixon to east of Harmony. Eastbound on the Gardner, debris has been removed approaching Spadina, so it's still jammed up on the eastbound Gardner from the Humber Bridge to approaching Spadina, but no longer any issues. A new problem just came in. Northbound on the Allen approaching the 401. The right lane is blocked with a collision, so it's jammed up northbound on the Allen from Lawrence to approaching the 401. Thanks to the traffic spotter for the heads up, and it looks like emergency crews are here as well. Another traffic spotter called about a collision at Pottery and Broadview, and that intersection is apparently blocked in all directions. Major backup eastbound on Pottery from the Bayview Extension to Broadview. It's time to Toyota at Don Valley North Toyota. The newly redesigned 2024 Tacoma is available to test drive. Visit DonValleyNorthToyota.com. Now with the extended forecast, here's Denise Andriachi.
Well, the weekend will be much quieter after this snow wraps up later tonight. We are expecting sun and cloud for both Saturday, Sunday, but temperatures are still struggling until next week. And right now it's -4 at Pearson, feels like -9. The snow has been steady pretty much all day, and we still have a number of hours to go. Widespread snowfall warnings in place, 15 to 20 centimeters possible by the time this has wrapped up. Our overnight low, -5.
Coming up the bottom of the hour, breaking news from the UK. Kate Middleton, the Princess of Wales, says doctors have discovered cancer that had been present after undergoing surgery.
The surgery was successful. However, tests after the operation found cancer had been present.
And breaking news from Moscow, gunmen opened fire, 40 people dead at a concert. The latest straight ahead. Why live a normal life when you can live like a Bosch? Find great deals on premium and ultra Bosch appliances at Appliance Canada. Stay fresh like a Bosch with VitaFresh technology that keeps food fresh up to 3 times longer. Visit Appliance Canada to get Bosch instant